Good day, Turks and Caicos. This is your 3-day public weather forecast issued on Wednesday, October 1st, 2025. The general situation: low-level troughing could spark a few isolated showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Meanwhile, hazardous boating and beaching conditions will persist across the island chain due to swells. Special warnings: beachgoers are urged to exercise caution along Atlantic shorelines due to swell activity. The weather: partly cloudy with a low chance of isolated showers this afternoon, mostly fair tonight. Advisory: a small craft caution is in effect. Winds: southwest to west at 10 to 15 knots. Seas: Caicos Bank 3 feet or less. Atlantic 4 to 6 feet in northerly swells. The daytime high temperature is 91 degrees Fahrenheit with a heat index of 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The overnight low temperature is 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunset is at 6:36 p.m. The next high tide is at 4:28 p.m. and the next low tide is at 10:58 p.m. The extended forecast: troughing over the area will continue to spark isolated shower activity across the island chain through the end of the week. A strong high pressure is expected to build north of the archipelago on Friday, leading to light to gentle winds through the weekend. Persistent swells from Hurricane Humberto and Imelda will continue to produce hazardous and elevated seas through the weekend. Thursday: a low chance of isolated showers, partly sunny with a high near 91 degrees. Thursday night: a low chance of isolated showers, partly cloudy with a low around 81 degrees. Advisory: a small craft advisory and a high surf advisory will come into effect. Winds: westerly at 10 knots or less. Seas: Caicos Bank 2 to 4 feet. Atlantic 5 to 7 feet in northerly swells, increasing 6 to 9 feet in northerly to northeasterly swells in the evening. Sunrise 6:40 a.m. Sunset 6:35 p.m. Friday: a low chance of isolated showers, a mix of sun and clouds with a high near 91 degrees. Friday night: a low chance of showers, partly cloudy with a low around 81 degrees. Advisory: a small craft advisory and high surf advisory will remain in effect. Winds: variable at 5 knots or less. Seas: Caicos Bank 2 to 4 feet. Atlantic 7 to 10 feet in northerly to northeasterly swells. Sunrise is at 6:40 a.m. and sunset is at 6:34 p.m. The tropical weather outlook: active systems. See the latest news item issued by the Bahamas Department of Meteorology on Hurricane Imelda, located several hundred miles west-southwest of Bermuda, and on Hurricane Humberto, located a few hundred miles northwest of Bermuda. Tropical cyclone formation is not expected during the next 7 days. That is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on Wednesday, October 1st, 2025 by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Friday.